this part of the video, learning as we go. So I made a few mistakes along the way with this DIY that I hope to share with you guys that will kind of help you skip over the small little mistakes that I made. So the first mistake I made was I bought a really thin sheet of plexiglass. This is my first time using plexiglass for an actual project, so I really didn't know what I was looking for until after I made the mistake that I made down below, which you'll see. But as far as the mistake that I made, when I lined up the plexiglass on top of the wood to pre-drill the holes with the tape on it, it must have slipped. So after I was done pre-drilling the holes, I didn't go back to double check to make sure that it was correctly lined up. So as you see down below, as I was drilling in the screw for the plexiglass to be held together with the wood, it chipped and broke off because it wasn't lined up correctly with where the holes were, and the hole that was there was not big enough for where the screw was being put at because it wasn't correctly lined up. So I say all to say, I hope that me explaining this to you guys helped you guys, if you're doing this DIY, to kind of skip over that mistake that I made. So what I had to do was, which you'll see later on, I had to go back and fill the holes that I had already drilled with wood filler, sand it down, restain it, and then go back and get a bigger bigger sheet of plexiglass, and then redo those steps all over again. I hope that this little clip helped you guys skip over the small mistakes that I made, and you're able to just breeze through this DIY.